maybe aliens will not even target our weapon systems, but they will target toilet paper factories and beer breweries. What will happen to the stock market in case of an alien invasion? I know, but hypothetically speaking, what would happen? Well, remember the last big crash on the stock market at the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic? Well, this was actually a slow crash that started months before the pandemic became official, or there was such a thing as a lockdown. So already in fall 2019, the large institutions and of course everyone working in the field of healthcare, doctors, insurance companies and so on, they started to slowly pull their money out of the market because they didn't want it to crash. They wanted the money first before any kinds of crash. So slowly, over the month, the S&P 500 went down. And then, at the beginning of 2020, when the pandemic became sort of official, because we just couldn't hide it anymore, there were just too many people dying, the stock market crashed hard. But still, this was a process over a couple of days or weeks. So, an alien invasion will happen much faster than a pandemic, because once they can't hide the invasion from us anymore, what will happen? The stock market would crash instantly. And oh boy, it will crash hard. And even if there wouldn't be any rational reason to pull out this money, the market doesn't like uncertainty. And that's why I think like everyone will pull the money out of the market in case of an alien invasion. So what will happen then? Hard to tell. But let's just focus on the stock market. Well, I think that depends on what these aliens are doing here on Earth. Whether they are hostile or they are friendly. So they might bring us thousands of tons of gold as a present. Because they have been watching us and they know we like gold. So instantly gold will become almost worthless because there's just too much gold. Or let's say they bring lithium. Enough lithium to build our computers and smartphones and all other devices that use lithium for the next decades or even centuries. Well then, lithium will become invaluable. But what if they are hostile and we actually have to defend planet Earth? Well, either they are so strong, humanity will be defeated in a couple of hours or days, or it's going to be a longer war against the aliens because they are not as powerful. Well then, people probably will put their money in Rheinmetall again or other war and weapon system related stocks. People probably will also start buying toilet paper like crazy, because aliens soon will find out that toilet paper factories are an important part of our infrastructure. So maybe aliens will not even target our weapon systems, but they will target toilet paper factories and beer breweries and tobacco plantages, so they can strike where it really hurts. So in this case, you might want to invest in beer, cigarettes and toilet paper. These were my thoughts for today. If you liked what you hear, please share this episode. You can also subscribe to the channel, give the video a like. You can hype the video, which would be especially cool if you would do so. Well, and here are some other videos that you can watch and some playlists. Excuse me, there was a biker. See you later.